Welcome to Tailornova. This video explains how Tailornova Designer works and how you can create virtually limitless custom designed and made-to-measure patterns in seconds. Before you can fully use Tailornova, please sign up or sign in to unlock all of the features. It is free and will only take a few minutes. This area is the Designer workspace. In the left window, you see a vector technical sketch. In the right window is your flat pattern. You can download your technical flat sketch in a vector format and open it in any vector editing software such as Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or any other vector editing softwares online for further design manipulations if you prefer. Your pattern shows in a default sample size. To change your size, you can click on the tab Sample Size or on the large pink button Customize Fit on the top menu. By entering your unique measurements and saving your 3D fit models, you can automatically draft all of your patterns in those specific sizes. You can create and save several 3D fit models. To update your design in a new size, please click on the Size tab at the lower left corner or a Customize Fit tab on the top menu. Select your saved model and click on Use button. The pattern will automatically resize to the new set of measurements. To save your patterns, click on the design icon and save your design as a new project. You can later access it for further modification if you like. When you click on the left menu, you will see it open. This menu allows you to intermix different pattern details which work and fit just like Lego pieces. Once you sign up, on the right-hand corner, you will see your account menu and links. Please click on the Settings link. You will land in your account area. Here you will see several options that will help you manage your account, subscriptions, and also design easily and very quickly. For that, click on the Preferences tab. Since 3D feature is coming very soon, you can select the color of your muslin fabric to preview all of your designs in. Next, select your preferred units of measure settings, inches or centimeters. By presetting your preferred length, you will automatically see all of your designs drafted in that length. You can always change the length by clicking on the dots of the right-hand corner of each selected silhouette. By clicking on different sleeves and necklines, you will instantly be able to preview your new designs as a flat sketch and a new pattern set. Your pattern is drafted to the pre-selected size, ready to download, sew, or manipulate further. To download your patterns, please click on a download icon and select your preferred format. Your pattern can be downloaded in a PDF format in several paper sizes. You can also download your pattern as a DXF format, which can be then imported into other CAD systems for further design manipulations.